Hi, I'm Tibin Thomas. In this video I'm going to present the basic concept of object-oriented programming. Let's start with the basic concepts. First one is objects. An object is an unidentifiable entity with some characteristics and behavior. An object is an instance of a class. When a class is defined, no memory is allocated, but when it is instantiated, memory is allocated. When a program is executed, the objects interact by sending messages to one another. The second one is classes. The building blocks of C++ that leads to object-oriented programming is a class. It is a user-defined data type, which holds its own data members and members functions, which can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. A class is like a blueprint for an object.
The third one is data abstraction and encapsulation. Data abstraction is one of the most essential and important features of object-oriented programming in C++. Abstraction means displaying only essential information and hiding the details. Data abstraction refers to providing only essential information about the data to the outside world, hiding the background details or implementation. In normal terms, encapsulation is defined as wrapping up of data and information under a single unit. In object-oriented programming, encapsulation is defined as binding together the data and the functions that manipulate them.
The fourth one is polymorphism. The word polymorphism means having many forms. In simple words, we can define polymorphism as the ability of a message to be displayed in more than one form. A person at the same time can have different characteristics. Like a man at the same time is a father, a husband, an employee. So the same person possesses different behavior in different situation. This is called polymorphism. The next one is dynamic binding. Dynamic binding refers to linking a procedure call to code that will execute only once. The code associated with the procedure is not known until the program is executed, which is also known as late binding. The sixth one is inheritance. The capability of a class to derive properties and characteristics from another class is called inheritance. Inheritance is one of the most important features of object-oriented programming. The last one is message passing. Objects communicate with one another by sending and receiving information to each other. A message for an object is a request for execution of a procedure, and therefore we will invoke a function in the receiving object that generates the desired results. Message passing involves specifying the name of the object, the name of the function, and the information to be sent. I hope you enjoyed and understood about the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. Thank you and have a nice day.